Okay, so I'm out right now on a job site in Glastonbury, Connecticut, with a homeowner. We'll call him Vic, and Vic is graciously volunteered to just explain a little bit about what was going on with the old gutter protection that was up on the house that we have just removed, and what area of the house were you having difficulty with. I know around the whole house, but in particular, what was going on in that section right in the front of your house?
Primarily, it was at the front door where there were two roofs to meet, and then there was I put up a corner guard to try and protect it, but that didn't work because the gutters kept getting clogged. And
Splash
water
guard.
overflowing, it actually overflowed to the foundation right there, and then all the sort of landscaping got ruined, and then
The landscaping got ruined.
Had to re-landscape, and then more importantly, over the years, the foundation actually cracked. I happened to be down in the basement doing other work, and the foundation cracked. And all of a sudden, I heard water trickling, and I'm like, "Oh, that's not good." And then we had to get a whole crew in here with a jackhammer, re-jackhammer the whole foundation, and then fill it up with waterproof stuff, and then get the whole wall waterproof. It was very expensive. It would have been a lot cheaper if I would have just had proper gutters up there and taking care of the problem the first time. But you live and you learn.
So he actually believed that this surgical grade stainless steel, nothing sticks to it like they tell you. Actually, a couple of years later, this is what it looks like. I think 4 years later.
Yeah. It's actually
3 years later. So what happens is the water just runs right over the top of these things because they get all clogged up.
Yeah.
And then you end up with possible water in the basement. So thanks.
Yeah.
Vic, for
no problem.
being in this episode.
Keep your gutters clean.